Hey everyone, I'm here today to dive into a topic that's been making headlines and raising eyebrows: the 2024 elections in Zimbabwe. Now, this isn't just about who won or lost, but about the broader implications of these events, not just for Zimbabwe, but for the entire southern African region. Zimbabwe's elections on August 23rd were marked by controversy. President Emmerson Mnangagwa was declared the winner, but not without significant criticism about how the elections were conducted. Observers, including those from the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, noted several issues. These ranged from the intimidation of voters to the partiality of the media, and even the handling of electoral materials. So now you might ask, what does this all mean? Well, elections are the foundation of democratic governance. When they are perceived as flawed, it shakes the very core of public trust and legitimacy. In Zimbabwe's case, the allegations of election tampering and voter suppression are particularly concerning because they suggest a drift away from democratic norms. And then there's the role of the SADC. This regional bloc is supposed to oversee and ensure free and fair elections among its member states. But there's a growing sentiment that SADC's oversight might not be as effective or impartial as needed. Observers from SADC themselves pointed out that while the voting day was peaceful, the run-up to the elections was anything but. This situation poses a real challenge. How can SADC strengthen its role in ensuring that elections in its member states meet international standards for fairness and transparency? After all, the credibility of an entire region's commitment to democracy could be at stake. As we look forward, the key question remains: will SADC adapt and enforce stricter guidelines, or will it remain a passive observer? This isn't just about Zimbabwe, it's about setting a precedent for how democratic processes should be protected and promoted in Southern Africa. It's a complex issue, and one that requires not just the attention of political leaders, but of all those who care about the future of democracy in Africa. So let's keep the dialogue open, stay informed, and most importantly, keep asking the tough questions. Because it's only through scrutiny and engagement that we can hope to foster a more democratic and just society. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to reflect on how these events shape not just regions but individual lives and futures.